One disciplined trade, $300 profit, zero regrets. Yo, what's up fam? Welcome back to Trade Truths Unfiltered, where we break down raw trading psychology, real funded account struggles, and faith-filled focus, all without filters.
And today's episode, man, it's a blueprint. We're recapping the August 4th trade session. One clean move, full spiritual alignment, and no overtrading. Stay locked in, because by the end, you're gonna see how faith and discipline made more money than FOMO ever could.
Let's dive straight into it. Jamal came into the August 4th session ready. Pre-market checklist, locked in, QuantGuard settings, activated and sealed. But what really stood out, Sin, was his emotional and spiritual prep.
Absolutely. He wasn't just trading charts, he was trading with intention. Before that first candle even printed, he spoke this out loud.
My worth is not in today's results. I'm here to execute my edge, not to prove or chase.
That's not just mindset, that's spiritual armor.
And he added that prayer too. God, guard my mind and decisions through my trading today. Let me be still when needed. That hit me, bro. Because trading is chaos, but that moment of stillness can be the difference between patience and panic.
Facts. So the market opens, he's watching MNQ like a hawk. It breaks above the 15-minute opening range. What's he do? He waits for the retest.
Then, entry locked. One trade, one position. He sticks to his 5 micro max rule. Let's talk numbers for the folks who like the math. Profit, $303. Risk per trade, $175. Risk to reward multiple, 1.73 to 1. So he didn't just make money, he made a high-quality trade.
And right after that, he shut it down. Done for the day. Zero temptation to go back in. He even said on the mic, I'm up $300 already, so I'm just gonna close out before something happens and I lose it. That's next level maturity. He didn't overstay his welcome.
That's what we mean when we say trade like your highest self, not your emotional self. Let me hit y'all with scripture that Jamal lives by. Jamal, be still, and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. In this game, stillness isn't weakness, it's power.
Whew, that pre-market prayer, the emotional setup, even logging the shadow traits. Greed and impatience, this wasn't a lucky trade. This was a spiritual execution.
Alright, let's land this. Here's our top 3 lessons from August 4th. Alright, here are my top 3 lessons from August 4th. First up, pre-market prep is sacred. Your edge doesn't begin at the candle, it begins at your checklist for real. Second, faith creates stillness. Trading from peace, not pressure, leads to clarity. And third, one A-plus trade beats 10 emotional ones. You don't need quantity, you need quality and conviction every single time.
You are more than your P&L. You are disciplined. You are covered. You are capable, no doubt. I trade as my highest self, not today's emotion. And to the person out there still battling greed, or tilting after losses, let this be your reminder.
If this episode hit you, hey, drop a comment below sharing your biggest lesson. Smash that like if you felt this was real, and don't forget to hit subscribe because we're dropping this type of truth every single trading week.
Thanks for rocking with us today. Remember, win or lose, your worth is not on the chart. Stay faithful, stay focused, and trade with truth.
We out. Cue that outro beat, and remember, let the chart reflect your planning, not your panic.